Hi, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about recording a Zoom session. English 1, you're going to need to do that for working on your discussion project for the end of the short story unit. So I want to walk you through that a little bit today. So here I am. I've already shown you how to set up a Zoom account and to start working on Zoom. So here is my current Zoom session right here that I have going on, and I want to try to record this Zoom session. So one of the first things that I'm going to do is once I get my session going, I'm going to click on participants down here so that that participants page right there disappears. And then all I see is the picture of the 3 or 2 people that are in the Zoom session. So the other thing that I want to make sure that I have is I want to make sure that my screen is the largest that it can be, but it's not maximized because when it's maximized, well, I guess you could maximize it. That's fine. It's totally up to you if you want to do that. But you want to make sure that when you have your screen up there, that you have it on gallery view, which shows everybody's pictures at the same time instead of just the person who is currently speaking, which would be only me. Okay. So if I want to record down here, only the host can do this. So whoever set up the Zoom meeting in the first place, you're the one who has to record it. So you can go down here and you can press record, and immediately it will start recording. And you can see upper left-hand corner here, it shows that I'm currently recording this meeting. So we have our meeting, we discuss our book, and then when we're done, you can go up here and you can press stop recording, or you can pause if you want to take a break and then come back and record a little bit more later if you wanted to talk about what you had done already. So over here, I'm going to stop recording. As soon as I stop recording, it will say up here, the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So when I end the meeting, I'm going to go down here, end meeting for all. A dialog box pops up that says you have a recording that needs to be converted before viewing. So you wait until this gets to be 100%. And when it gets to be 100%, you have your save my recordings at, and it gives you that's your zoom.us account. So I'll say, okay, go ahead and save it there. So that means that this will pop up and show me all of my Zoom meeting recordings right here. And this is my most recent one, the one that I just did. And if I want to double check it, I can go ahead and open that up and I can see my QuickTime will open. And this is the meeting that I just had. Record, and immediately it will, okay? So what I want to do then is I want to make sure, I usually save it to my desktop so that I can attach it to emails or whatever it might happen to be. So in which case, I'm going to go up here. I'm going to double click on the title there, and I'm going to name this discussion information or whatever I'm going to name it. And I am going to add it to my desktop. And then all I have to do is press enter. And now I have 2 different spots where I can access that video. One is on zoom.us, and the other one, it will pop up discussion information right here on my desktop. And that way, when it is time to send my email off, I can open, or my video off in an email, I can open up my email account and compose. And you are wanting to send this to me, so type in my last name and I will pop up. I'm going to send it to the District 156. The other ones won't pop up for you. And remember, in the subject line, you're going to put the names of your group members and discussion. Then all you have to do is drag it from your desktop into your email, boom, and send it to me. And there it is, popping into my email account, and I've got your discussion. Okay, I hope that helped you figure out what you needed to do for recording a Zoom session. And if you have another way that you want to do the discussion and record it so that all three of you are on the screen at the same time, you don't have to use Zoom. It's just the way that we've all been doing for school, so it helps make it a little bit more convenient. All right. If you have any questions about this, we'll talk about it in class soon.